Hello and welcome to this video. On this video we're going to be installing this Bosch XL Plus 41917 rear wiper on our 2000 Mercedes ML320. This will apply to certain other Mercedes models as well. To remove the old wiper, you're just simply going to fold the wiper out and then push down on it. It's just a pressure fit. So once you get it off like that, you'll be able to take it off completely and install the new one. The new blade comes with some adapters, but in this case we won't need them. We simply take the new blade, put it on like this, and kind of angle it up as you pull it on, and it clips right into place. And now you're done. And you should check these every year and replace them probably about once a year in most cases, because if these go bad, they'll end up scratching your rear window, and it's very difficult to replace those and very expensive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on another video soon.